This is the Drury Plaza Hotel in downtown Milwaukee, right across the street from the Chase building. Previously, I've already done my room tour, which was a 2-queen bed room. You can check out my channel for that video. But in this video, I'll be going over all of the amenities with this hotel, including the common areas, what the parking situation is like, and of course the complimentary breakfast and kickback happy hour scene, which is a standout for the Drury Plaza hotel chain. Let's first talk about the parking situation if you do decide to leave your car here. It does cost a daily rate. I would recommend you check out the website as this rate can change over time. But you do park at the 720 North Water Street garage, and then it is connected directly to the hotel on the second floor. So you can take either the elevator or the stairs after passing through a covered hallway to the first floor, which it does have two entrances. There's one main entrance and then a side entrance, which you do need a key card to enter after certain hours. But the first floor is quite spacious. When you enter through the main entrance, to the left is basically places for the staff. Primarily, there is a room they can hold your luggage in. But the check-in counter is right here, and across from there is access to some fresh water, an option to have it with fruit or just plain water. And that lobby area space is quite spacious, as you can see here, and there's plenty of seating so that you can wait for your Uber to the airport or whatever it is. And also right there in the corner is the business center, so you can use their computer or printer as necessary. Also still on the first floor is the market pantry, so you do need to use your hotel key card to enter, and they do have a camera monitoring you while you're inside. But in addition to a ton of different snacks, they also have some sundries, so toiletry type stuff, sunscreen, lotion, razors, pills, you name it. They also have some frozen food that you can just pop in the microwave if you really don't want to go out, some ice cream, some beverages, including alcoholic beverages. But of course, you do need to be 21 and older, and they check at the front desk where you check out. And the hours of this pantry are as follows. Pricing for everything is right here on the wall, and if you needed to make a cash withdrawal, there is an ATM right here as well. Then if we go past the check-in counters, this is where you can enter the large amount of seating area, perfect for working and of course dining here. So this is where you can enjoy your complimentary breakfast or your kickback at 5:30. But just to give you an idea of the space over here, there are certain seating that do have outlets as well. Here's the bar area where you can order your 3 complimentary drinks, and then you can also fill up on soda or coffee that's available 24/7. Right now it's pretty deserted because it's outside of the eating hours, but I'll be showcasing the breakfast as well as the kickback items later in this video. But if you want to grab a bite outside of those typical hours or grab a drink, there is a kitchen and bar, so just their hotel restaurant right here on site. And going down this ramp, that pretty much brings us full circle back to the elevators where you can go up to your rooms. And actually right here, you can also access their first level restrooms, which still requires card key access. So if you're just here for some conference, you can find those meeting rooms on the second floor, which is accessible via the elevator without the key card or with the stairs that are right here. On the second floor, it's pretty much all meeting rooms. They have a variety of different sizes. So they have, of course, like a big ballroom type conference room that's right in the middle there. Some seating and even outlets to work outside of the conference room too, which is quite nice. And just around the corner there are some restrooms that you don't need card keys to access. And then in the 2 adjacent hallways around the ballroom, you'll find smaller conference rooms that you can also book. But if you're wondering where is the pool and the fitness center and the laundry facilities, that's all downstairs, which is not directly accessible by the main elevators. You actually have to go past the check-in counters to the staircase down here, and then to the left is a door that you do need to use your key card to open. Then you immediately see the pool right there. They don't allow any glass, so you can switch out your glass containers for the water cups here if you want to at this time. There are also bathrooms right outside of the pool. Pool is open only from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. and you do need to use your key card once again to enter. You'll find some scattered seating all around the pool. There's some towels right there. The pool ranges really from 0 to 5 feet and has a step entry as well as a ladder entry on the deep end. There's no lifeguard on duty, so swim at your own risk. I did swim here pretty much every day of my stay, and I have to say that I do kind of wish the water quality was a little bit better. I think the filtration system didn't have a fast enough turnover. I was constantly kind of running into other people's leftover hair. So that didn't give me much confidence to use their hot tubs, but they do have one if you are interested in that. And there is a one stall bathroom right here in the pool area, so you don't have to go back outside. Now, while the pool has restricted hours, the fitness center, which is in the same level here, is accessible by key card 24/7. And since it is on the lower floor, 2 floors at minimum away from the hospitality rooms, you don't have to worry about noise in the middle of the night. First, you're greeted with the towels right here on the left. There's a water fountain and a water bottle dispenser on the wall. They have a pretty good assortment. You have 3 treadmills right here, various machines like this lateral pull machine, leg curl machine, leg press machine, and chest press. There's also this kind of, I don't really know how to describe it, but it's like an upright pedal machine. You guys let me know in the comments what this machine is. But in this corner with the mirror is some free space. So you got some yoga mats, a yoga ball, some dumbbells, which do range from 2.5 pounds up to 35 pounds. And they tend to use half pound increments. So great for really building muscle tone. There is a single bench here as well. But to round things out, we do have a few upright elliptical type machines. And then if you exit right outside the fitness center is actually the guest laundry room, which again you need to use your key card to utilize. It still takes coins, so you just have to go to the front desk. If you don't have coins, they have soap, bleach, and softeners that you can purchase in small packets there, plus a space for you to fold your laundry. There are a total of 4 washers and 4 dryers, and it looks like they cost $2 per load. Now that I've given you a full grounds tour, let's talk about what sets Drury hotels apart, and that is their complimentary breakfast and their 5:30 kickback, which anyone in your party over 21 can enjoy 3 free drinks, as well as snacks and some light food. But you'll see in just a minute, I think it's a little bit more than just light food. But let's see what they have to offer for breakfast. So they have an assortment of dry stuff. So here's cereal, and then they have a milk dispenser right here. Just a warning, the dispensing force is pretty strong, so you definitely want to use both hands and do a little test squirt before you fill up your cup. There's also some juices right here. And then here in the center are your hot goods. They got biscuits, potatoes, sausage, and eggs. They pretty much have the exact same thing every day. I did stay here for roughly a week, and they serve the same thing every day. So it doesn't change it up. Unfortunately, like Hampton Inn, at least they would change up their hot goods. But so much variety, you can't really complain too much. And then over here, you can fill up a bowl of gravy and also oatmeal with some toppings. And then over here are some baked goods. You got mini muffins, bagels, English muffins, toasts, which you can toast yourself, and then different kinds of spreads. Some yogurt. It's kind of limited when I went there. Only had either 1 or 2 selections every day. But you also get some fresh fruit right there, plus freshly made pancakes every morning, or you can make your own waffles in the station right next to it. Complimentary breakfast is served every day, Monday through Friday, 6 a.m. to 9:30, and then weekends a little later from 7 to 10 a.m. The kickback starts at 5:30 and ends at 7 p.m. every day, and on the drink menu, this is what I saw when I was there. You are able to get 3 drinks total per person, which I think is pretty awesome. As for the so-called snack, you can really feast on this, to be quite honest. It's your typical American food though. It's not outstanding food by any means, but hey, it is free, or at least included in your hotel stay. And as you can see, they have plenty of hot foods, and a lot of these dishes are really hearty meals that you can get out of it. I saw a lot of families with kids taking advantage of it. So if you're on a budget, this is not a bad option at all. Just keep in mind that they do serve the same thing every day. But if you're just coming in from a long stay of travel, this is a nice option. You don't have to leave the hotel. It's free. If you have kids, even better. And they even have a popcorn machine. Who doesn't love popcorn? It is limited time though, but you do get free access to their soda stream and also the coffee 24/7. As someone who stayed in all kinds of hotels, I was pleasantly surprised with this Drury hotel. And if all of their hotels are like this, then you have got me a lifelong customer. They have excellent customer service, all of the extra amenities, the 3 free drinks. You can basically get breakfast and dinner for free if you're not too picky. Also was very impressed with their rooms. You can check out my entire room tour that I did in a separate video on my channel. The only thing I can suggest is definitely to improve their pool quality. As a avid swimmer here, I would really appreciate that. But otherwise, this has been a great experience. I will put the link to their hotel information in the description as usual. Definitely subscribe for more travel videos like this. Thanks for watching.